Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the Salesforce license. So where we can see the all Salesforce license in our org. So let's start. Click on this setup icon. Then after in quick find box, search for the company information. Yeah, here you can see company information option is available under company setting. Okay, here you can see user licenses. Okay, so the license name is Salesforce. It's active. There are total two licenses, and I use one license, and remaining one is one. External app login. There are total 20. I did not use any one of them, so remaining is 20. Okay, and customer community logging. There is five license. I did not use any one of the license, and the customer community plus license. So it's a five, and uh, use license is zero. So this customer community plus and login, these two license are used for the community's experience cloud, and this is the license Salesforce integration. It's used for the integration. So these are the licenses from company permissions. You can see the licenses status. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.